I've hit 1,000 subscribers and I can't be any more thankful. Thank you everyone who's subscribed to me or whoever is viewing this video right now. I'm just so thankful, but I want to get into the video because the lighting is starting to go down. As you can tell by the title, I'm going to be doing a slime bucket challenge, which is basically just dumping slime on my head, and I'm going to be outside in the cold, cold snow. What you'll need is some glue, some food coloring, any color you want of course, some borax, and some water. Also something to stir in. Oh, and you'll need something to stir with. Here we go.
It's not the same as when I was punched. In the old days there wasn't enough. The card games and knees with the bitter salt of blood. I was in for the 1 hour. My mother's love is choking me. I'm sick of words that hang above my head. What about the kid? It's time the kid got free, free. It's time the kid got free.
Guys, I messed up, so I'm retrying this. Luckily I have some extra glue I bought just to make more slime for me to play with, but that's not gonna happen because I messed up. So we're just gonna redo this and hope for the best. If I get it wrong again, then I'm just gonna cry.
I forgot my old address. I'm sitting pretty on the throne. There's nothing more I want except to be alone. Be a part of the love club. Everything will glow for you. Go get punched for the love club. For the love club. For the love, for the love, for the love club. For the love, for the love, for the love club. For the love, for the love, for the love.
I think it's good enough. There's some chunks in it, but I don't think I can do anything about it. And it kind of sticks to my hand, but you know, that's alright. Still looks really cool.
Your maps and papers find out you're hiding places again.
This is for 1,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. I'm gonna die. Ready, set, go.
Remember, go on your great adventure again. And we'll be waiting at the end. 1 hour.
There we go in my mouth. Okay. I don't know what to do with myself. My feet are cold. Thank you guys. Okay, I'm gonna go now. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And I can't, ow, my eyeball. And hit the subscribe button down below for more awesome videos like this. And I'll do another crazy thing when I reach 1,100. My dog. Hi. What else? Comment down below anything, and I'll see you guys next video. Peace out.